Welcome to Fixing Expert. In this video, we will be discussing the different ways to screed concrete. Screeding is an important step in any concrete project to ensure a level and smooth surface. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, knowing the different methods of screeding can help you achieve the best results. Section 1, what is screeding? Screeding is the process of leveling and smoothing the surface of concrete. It is done after the concrete has been poured and before it sets. The goal of screeding is to create a level and smooth surface that is ready for further finishing. Section 2, using a straight edge. This method involves dragging a long, straight board across the surface of the concrete to level it. While this method is easy and inexpensive, it is best suited for small concrete projects. Using a straight edge may not be practical for large concrete surfaces. Section 3, using a bull float. A bull float is a large, flat tool that is used to level and smooth the surface of concrete. It is typically made of wood, magnesium, or aluminum. A bull float is easy to use and can cover a large area quickly. It is ideal for larger concrete surfaces. Section 4, using a roller screed. A roller screed is a machine that is used to screed large areas of concrete. It consists of a long, rotating tube that is attached to a motor. The tube is covered with a screed blade that levels and smooths the surface of the concrete as it rotates. Roller screeds are efficient and can cover large areas quickly. They are ideal for large concrete projects. Section 5, using a vibratory screed. A vibratory screed is a machine that uses vibration to level and smooth the surface of concrete. It consists of a long, flat bar that vibrates as it is dragged across the surface of the concrete. Vibratory screeds are efficient and can produce a very smooth finish. They are ideal for concrete surfaces that require a high level of precision. Section 6, using a laser screed. A laser screed is a machine that uses laser technology to level and smooth the surface of concrete. It consists of a long, flat bar that is attached to a laser leveling system. The laser system uses sensors to detect the surface of the concrete and adjust the height of the bar accordingly. Laser screeds are highly accurate and can produce a perfectly level surface. They are ideal for large concrete projects that require a high level of precision. That's it for our video on different ways to screed concrete. We hope you found this information useful. Remember, choosing the right method of screeding depends on the size and complexity of your concrete project.